Hi, adventurer. It's Bristlewick again, your guildmaster. We'll now see how to create, personalize, and validate your quest. I hope you're doing good. Let's create a new quest. Click on New. Write the name of your quest. Choose the difficulty. The hardest the quest is, the higher the XP will be. You can also set the priority. Then choose the category. Once the category is selected, the quest will go to its own Categories tab. I laid down some category for you, but you can write your own and also delete the one you don't like. The status is for how advanced you are for the quest, and you can also select the due date. The second checkbox is to show that you want to do the quest today, but we'll see that in detail later in Advanced Quest Management. When you finish a quest, there is two ways to validate it. You can click on the first checkbox, or you can give it to the ugly goblin directly. Click on Don't Remove if a message appears. The quest will then be under Sneerfang, my amazing brother. You can unvalidate them in the same way. You can see that your XP, your gold, and your level has increased. Congratulations, you are now level 2. You gain extra gold when you pass a level. You can pass to the next quest. Ciao, adventurer.